हेलो एवरीवन, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 12 की थीम नंबर 3 का चैप्टर नंबर 5। ये सेकंड लास्ट चैप्टर है एंड इसके आगे जो चैप्टर आएगा वो हमारा लास्ट चैप्टर होगा। उसके बाद हमारी हिस्ट्री की जो एनसीईआरटी है, 6 की 6 एनसीईआरटी क्लास 6 टू 12, जिसमें हमने 6, 7 एंड 8, उसके बाद 12th क्लास की थीम 1, थीम 2 एंड थीम 3, ये 6 की 6 एनसीईआरटी हमने डिस्कस की है एंड यही आपकी यूपीएससी के लिए रेलिवेंट मानी जाती है। इस चैप्टर में डिस्कस करेंगे पार्टीशन जब हो गया था इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान का, इसमें पॉलिटिक्स क्या थी, मेमोरीज क्या है, एक्सपीरियंस क्या क्या थे। चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं। ये लोग जो माइग्रेट हो रहे हैं, वी नो दैट जोय ऑफ और कंट्री इंडिपेंडेंस फ्रॉम कॉलोनियल रूल, 1947 में हम आज़ाद हो गए थे, बट उसके साथ बहुत सारे वायलेंस हुए हैं। ब्रूटैलिटी ऑफ पार्टीशन, पार्टीशन ऑफ ब्रिटिश इंडिया इनटू द सोवरेन स्टेट, दो बना दिए गए थे, इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान, जिसमें वेस्ट में पाकिस्तान था एज वेल एज ईस्ट में जो आज के टाइम में बांग्लादेश है। मैनी सडन डेवलपमेंट यहाँ पे हुए हैं, थाउजेंड ऑफ लाइव वर स्नफ्ड आउट, बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे माइग्रेट हुए हैं, यहाँ से माइग्रेट हुए। मैनी ऑफ अदर चेंज ड्रामेटिकली, सिटी मैनेज, इंडिया चेंज्ड, ए न्यू कंट्री वाज बोर्न, नए भारत को हमने जन्म दिया था एंड देयर वाज ए अनप्रेसिडेंट जीनोसाइडल वायलेंस यहाँ पे हमें देखने को मिला। दिस चैप्टर विल एग्जामिन कि कैसा कुछ यहाँ पे सीन था, व्हाई इट वाज हैपेंड, ऐसा क्यों हुआ था, हेरोइक एक्सपीरियंस क्या क्या थे, ऑर्डिनरी पीपल ड्यूरिंग 1946 से 50 के बाद में क्या क्या हुआ, एंड इट विल also discuss how the history of these experience can be constructed या फिर reconstruct by taking two people of interviewing them, that is through the use of oral history. At the same time, it will point out the strength and the limitation of the oral history. Interview can tell us that about certain aspect of society, past of which we may know very little or nothing from other type of sources, but they may not be revealed very much about many matters of history. We would then need to build other materials also. We will return to this issue forward to the end of this chapter. ये फोटोग्राफ आप दे सकते हैं, वायलेंस जब उस टाइम पे हो रहा था। अब देखते हैं सम पार्टीशंस एक्सपीरियंसेस। यहाँ पे 3 इंसिडेंट हमें दिखाए गए हैं, नेटेड बाय पीपल हु एक्सपीरियंस दीज वायलेंस। हम बोल सकते हैं 19 रिसर्चर ने बताया कि 1993 में द इंफॉर्मेंट वर पाकिस्तानी रिसर्चर इंडियंस, द जॉब ऑफ दिस रिसर्चर वाज टू अंडरस्टैंड how those who had lived more than less harmonious for generations inflicted to such much violence on each other in 1947. यहाँ पे सोर्स वन की बात करें, आई एम सिंपली रिटर्निंग माई फादर्स कर्ज, मतलब उनका डेट। दिस इज व्हाट द रिसर्चर क्या रिकॉर्ड किया है ड्यूरिंग द माई विजिट हिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट, लाइब्रेरी ऑफ पंजाब में, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ लाहौर के अंदर। विंटर्स की बात है 1992 में। लाइब्रेरियन अब्दुल लतीफ, ए पियोस मिडिल एज मैन था, हु हेल्प मी अलॉट। He would go out of his way, well beyond the call of duty, to provide me the relevant material. उसने provide करो, meticulously keeping photocopies requested by me ready before my arrival of the following morning. I found his attitude to my work so extraordinary that one day I could not help asking him, Latif Sahib, why do you go out of your way to help me so much? Latif Sahib glanced at his watch, grabbed his Nami's topi and said, I must go for namaz right now, but I will answer your question on my return. Stepping into the office, half an hour later, he continued. Yes, your question. I mean, my father belonged to Jammu, to a small village in Jammu district, and this was a Hindu-dominated village, and Hindu ruffian of the area massacred the Hamilet Muslim population in August 47 के अंदर. One late afternoon, when the Hindu mob had been furious towards my father discovered he was perhaps the only Muslim youth of the village जो कि उस टाइम बचा था. He had already lost his entire family in the brutality and was looking for the ways of escaping. Remembering kind elderly Hindu lady जो एक नेबर में थी, he implored her to save him by offering shelter उनको दिया था. The lady agreed to help father but said, son, if you hide here, they will get both of us. This is no use. You follow me to spot where they have piled up the dead. You lie down as if dead, and I will dump you dead bodies on you. Lie there among the dead, son, if dead through the night, and run of your life towards Sialkot at the break of dawn tomorrow. Then my father agreed to the proposal. Of they went to the spot. Father lays on the ground and old lady dumped a number of bodies on him. मतलब उसके ऊपर हम बोल सकते हैं डेड बॉडी रख दी, एंड लोगों को ये लगा कि ये भी मरा हुआ है। एन आवर सो लेटर ग्रुप ऑफ आर्म्ड हिंदू वहां पे अपीयर हुए। वन ऑफ देम येल्ड, anybody life left in anybody, sorry, any life, okay, and others started with their crude staffs and guns to fill any trace of life that thief. Somebody shouted, there is a wristwatch on that body, and at my father's finger with the butt of his rifle. Father used to tell us how difficult it was for him to keep his outstretched palm beneath the watch and he was wearing. So utterly still, somehow he succeeded for a few seconds until one of them said, oh, only watch, come, let us leave. Getting dark. Fortunately for Abaji, they left, and my father there had been restless all night. Then literally running for his life at the first hint of the light, he did not stop until the reached Sialkot. I help him because Hindu may help my father. मैंने आपकी मदद इसलिए की क्योंकि हिंदू ने हमारी मदद की है. I simply returning my कर्ज debt. ये मैंने अपने पिता का कर्ज उतारा. But I am not Hindu. I said I am a Sikh family. Sorry, mine is a Sikh family. At best mixed Hindu Sikh one. I do not know what your religion is at any surety. You do not wear uncut hair. You are not a Muslim. So for me you are a Hindu, and I do my little bit of you for you because हिंदू में सेव्ड माई फादर. यहाँ पे बताया गया है कि इस टाइप से लोग कभी कभी हेल्प भी करते थे एक दूसरे की. सेकंड सोर्स में बात की गई. फॉर क्वाइट ए फ्यू इयर्स नाउ आई हैव नॉट मेट ए पंजाबी मुसलमान. The researcher's second story is about the managers of youth hostel in Lahore. I had gone to the hostel looking for accommodation and had promptly declared my citizenship. You are Indian, so I cannot allot you a room, but I can offer you a tea and a story, said the manager. I couldn't have refused such a tempting offer. In early 1951 में 1950s में I posted at Delhi. The manager began. I was all ears. I was working as a clerk in Pakistan High Commission. That there are I had been asking for the Lahori friend to deliver a rukka. Rukka क्या होता है basically short writing written handwritten note. तो रुक्का याद सकता है, एक बार आपका नस्तली का आया था उसी तरह. Been asked at Lahori friend and to her erstwhile neighbor who now resided at Paharganj in Delhi. One day I rode out my bicycle towards Paharganj and I just crossed Cathedral Central Secretariat spotting a Sikh cyclist. I asked him in Punjabi, Sardar ji, the way to Paharganj, please. रास्ता बताइए. Then are you refugee? उन्होंने पूछा कि आप एक refugee हो? No, I come from Lahore. I am Iqbal Ahmed. Iqbal Ahmed from Lahore. Stop. The stop sounded like a brute order to me, and I instantly thought now will be gone. The Sikh will finish me off, but there was no escaping the situation. So I stopped. The burly Sikh came running to me and gave me a mighty hug. Eyes moist, he said, for quite a few years now, I have not met a Punjabi Musliman. काफी दिन मुझसे मैं किसी पंजाबी मुसलमान से नहीं मिला हूँ. I have been longing to meet you, but you cannot find Punjabi speaking मुसलमान here. पर आपको नहीं मिलेंगे आप. ये आप देख सकते हैं 10 million people are uprooted from their homeland and forced to migrate. So उस टाइम की जो सिचुएशन थी, you cannot imagine that type of pain people tolerate. No, you can never be ours. अब ये थर्ड सोर्स है, यहाँ पे एक अलग स्टोरी चलेगी. दिस इज द थर्ड स्टोरी. द रिसर्चर ने क्या रिलेटेड की है. I still vividly remember a man I met in Lahore in 1992. He mistook me to Pakistani studying abroad. For some reason, he liked me. He argued me to return home after completing my studies to serve a Qawm. Qawm क्या होता है basically? Qawm इसको हम बोल सकते हैं Qawm एक nation के context में. I told him I shall do so, but at the some stage in the conversation, I added in my citizenship. Happens to the Indians, all of a sudden his tone changed, and much as he was restraining himself, he brutaled out. Oh Indian, I had thought you were a Pakistani. I tried my best to impress upon him. I always see myself as a South Asian. No, you are never be ours. तुम हमारे नहीं हो सकते. Your people wiped out my entire village in 1947. We are sworn enemy and shall always remain so. हम हमेशा ही दुश्मन रहेंगे. अब देखते हैं मोमेंटस मार्कर पार्टीशन की वजह से क्या क्या कुछ हुआ. partition or Holocaust. The narrative just presented point to the persuasive violence that characterized partition. Several hundred thousand people were killed and innumerable women raped, abducted. Then millions were uprooted, transformed into refugees in alien land. And it was impossible to arrive at any accurate estimation कि क्या किस टाइप की कैजुअलिटी वहां पे हुई थी. Informed and scholarly guesses that 2 lakh to 5 lakh people. In all probability, some 15 million had to move across the hastily constructed frontier separating India and Pakistan. As they stumped across these shadow lines, the boundaries between the two new states were not officially known until 2 days after formal independence. 2 दिन तक तो boundary भी पता नहीं थी. They are rendered homeless, having suddenly lost all their immovable property and most of their movable asset, separated from many of their relatives and friends as well. Torn asunder from their mourning, removing and from their houses, field and fortunes, and from their childhood memories. Thus stripped for their local and regional culture, they were forced to begin picking up their lives from scratch on carts with the families belonging 1947. ये लोग ऐसे माइग्रेट कर रहे थे. You can see. उसके बाद was this simply a partition? क्या एक सिंपल एक पार्टीशन था? मोर और लेस ऑर्डरली कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अरेंजमेंट यहाँ पे हुई थी, एग्रीमेंट यहाँ पे हुआ है डिवीजन ऑफ टेरिटरीज पे, और शुड भी कॉल्ड इट 16 मंथ वॉर, सिविल वॉर, या फिर इसको हम 16 महीने का या फिर 16 महीने का सिविल वॉर बोल सकते हैं, बिकॉज रिकॉग्नाइजिंग दैट देयर वर वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड फोर्सेज ऑन बोथ साइड एंड कंसर्टेड अटेम्प्ट टू वाइप आउट entire population as enemy. Then survivors themselves have often spoken in 1947 through other words जिसमें मार्शल लॉ इसको बोलते हैं, मारामारी किलिंग्स, रुआला हुलार मतलब डिस्टरबेंस, ट्यूमुलेट अप्रोर, स्पीकिंग ऑफ द किलिंग, रेप, आर्सन एंड लूट दैट constituted partition. बहुत सारी चीजें यहाँ पे हुई है. Contemporary observer ने and scholar have sometime used to use the expression Holocaust as well as primarily meaning destruction or slaughter on a mass scale. तो खून खराबा बहुत ज्यादा हुआ था यहाँ पे. And is this usable appropriate? Then you should have read about the German Holocaust under the Nazi in class 9 जो हमने नहीं डिस्कस किया अभी तक. So जो हिटलर की पॉलिसी थी उसके कंटेक्स्ट में बात की जा रही है. द टर्म होलोकॉस्ट का मतलब है सेंस कैप्चर द ग्रेविटी of what happened in the subcontinent in 1947, something that is mild term partition hides. It also helped to focus on why partition, like the Holocaust of Germany, is remembered and referred to a contemporary concern so much. Yet difference between the two events should not be overlooked. In 1947, subcontinent did not witness any state-driven extremism, as was the case with Nazi Germany, where various modern technique of the control and organization had been used. Then the ethnic cleansing जो थी that characterized the partition of India was carried out by self-styled representative of religious communities rather than state agencies. उसके बाद पावर ऑफ स्टीरियोटाइप की बात करें. इंडियन हेटर्स इन पाकिस्तान एंड पाकिस्तान हेटर्स इन इंडिया आर बोथ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पार्टीशन. दोनों ही पार्टीशन के वो बने हैं. एट द सेम टाइम सम पीपल mistakenly believe that the loyalties of Indian Muslim lie in Pakistan. कईयों को लग रहा था कि मुस्लिम जो है मुसलमान जो सिर्फ पाकिस्तान के लोयल है. ये स्टोरीटाइप जो थे स्टेरियोटाइप की पहले से आपने सोच लिया. एक्स्ट्रा टेरिटोरियल पैन इस्लामिक लॉयल्टीज confused with other highly objectionable ideas. Muslim are cruel, bigoted, unclean, descendant of invaders, while Hindu are kind, liberal, pure, and children of invaded. The journalist R.M. Murphy ने ऐसा कुछ बताया था, shown that similar stereotype बने हुए थे proliferate in Pakistan. According to him, some Pakistan feel that Muslim are fair, brave, monotheist, meat eaters, while Hindu are dark, crowded, polytheist, vegetarian. Some of these stereotypes predate partition, but there is no doubt that they were immensely strengthened because of 1947. And every myth, हर एक जो myth थी in these construction has been systematically critiqued by historians. But in both countries, voices of hatred do not mellow. Partition generated memories, hatreds, stereotypes, identities that still continue to shape the history of people on both sides of the border. These hatred आपका have manifested themselves during inter-community conflict. Communal clashes थे, Interns have kept alive the memories of past violence. Stories of partisans' violence are recounted by communal group to deepen the divide between communities, creating in people's mind feeling of suspicion and distrust, distrust, distrust. Oh, ठीक है. Then consolidating the power of communal stereotype, creating the deeply problematic notion of Hindus, Sikh, Muslim communities, sharply defined boundaries. तो ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है, बस वही है. पार्टीशन हो रहा था, लोग माइग्रेट कर रहे थे, कंफ्लिक्ट थे, रोट वगैरह. Then relationship between the Pakistan and India has been profoundly shaped by the legacy of partition. Perception क्या था of community both sides have been structured by conflicting memories, momentous time की. People look at the only that physically carry, uprooting meaning intense चीजें तो शिफ्ट करना पड़ रहा था जिनमें इनकी कोई भी गलती नहीं थी. Why and how did partition happen? ऐसा क्यों हुआ था? उससे पहले लखनऊ पैक्ट के बारे में देखते हैं. लखनऊ पैक्ट ऑफ दिसंबर 1916 में वाज अंडरस्टैंडिंग बिटवीन द कांग्रेस एंड द मुस्लिम लीग, जहाँ पे हिंदू मुस्लिम दोबारा से मिल गए थे अगर ब्रॉड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से समझे तो. बट यहाँ पे क्या था कि कांग्रेस और मुस्लिम लीग ने समझौता कर लिया था. यूपी वेस्ट यंग पार्टी वेयर द कांग्रेस एक्सेप्टेड सेपरेट इलेक्टोरेट, कांग्रेस ने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया था कि मुसलमानों के लिए आप सेपरेट इलेक्टोरेट ले सकते. देन पैक्ट प्रोवाइड ए जॉइंट पॉलिटिकल प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर द मॉडरेट रेडिकल एंड मुस्लिम लीग, लेकिन आपका एक ही रहेगा पॉलिटिकल अफेयर के लिए. आर्य समाज की बात करें, नॉर्थ इंडियन हिंदू रिफॉर्म था ऑफ द लेट 19th सेंचुरी में, अर्ली 20th सेंचुरी पर्टिकुलरली कहाँ पे एक्टिव था, पंजाब में, विच शोड दैट रिवाइव वैदिक लर्निंग को वापस लेके आना है, कंबाइन विद द मॉडर्न एजुकेशन इन द साइंस, साइंस के साथ इसको कंबाइन करके चलना है. उसके बाद म्यूजिक बिफोर मॉस्क, द प्लेइंग ऑफ म्यूजिक बाय रिलीजियस प्रोसेशन या फिर आउटसाइड ए मॉस्क एट द टाइम ऑफ नमाज would lead to Hindu-Muslim violence. Orthodox Muslims saw as an interference in their graceful communication या फिर communion with the God. अगर आप पे नमाज के टाइम में ऐसा कुछ बजाते हैं देन मुसलमानों को यहाँ पे इश्यू था. जस्ट इनके हिसाब से जो इन्होंने बता रखा है यहाँ. ये सब क्यों हुआ था? Culminating point था of long history. Some historian, both Indian and Pakistani, suggest that Muhammad Ali Jinnah theory थी that the Hindu and Muslim in colonial rule and colonial India constituted two separate nations can project back into medieval history. They emphasize that event of 1947 were intimately connected था long history से, जो कि हिंदू और मुस्लिम के conflict थे, उनकी वजह से ही partition हुआ. Such an argument does not recognize that history of conflict between the communities coexisted with a long history of sharing. ऐसा नहीं कि इतनी लंबा conflict हो और हिस्ट्री चली आ रही हो. अब आके क्यों हुआ? म्यूचुअल कल्चरल एक्सचेंज आज उस टाइम भी थे. It does not take into the account of the changing circumstance that shape the people's thinking. Some scholars see the partition as a culmination of communal politics, लग रहा था कईयों को, that started developing in the opening decades of the 20th century. They suggest that separate electorate for Muslim created by the colonial government in 1909 and expand हो गए थे 1919 में for the Sikh and Anglo-Indians के लिए. Usually shaped the nature of communal politics. Separate electorate mean that क्या था इसका मतलब, Muslim could now elect their own representative in designated constituencies and उसके लिए सिर्फ मुस्लिम ही वोट करेंगे. This created a temptation for the political working within the system to use sectarian slogans and gather a following by distributing favors to their own religious group. Religious identities thus acquired a functional use within a modern political system, and the logic of electoral politics जो था deep and hardened these identities. Then community की जो identities हैं no longer indicate a simple difference in faith and the belief. They came to mean active opposition and hostility between the communities. However, while separate electorate did have a profound impact था on Indian politics पे, and we should be careful not to overemphasize their significance or to see partition as a logical outcome of their working. And communal identities were considered या फिर consolidated by host of other development in early 20th century के अंदर. During 1920 से 30 तक tension grew around a number of issues, and Muslim were angered by music before mosque and by the cow protection movement, जो कि आर्य समाज को एफर्ट थी to bring back the Hindu fold, जिसको क्या बोलते हैं शुद्धि movement. Those who had recently converted to Islam, उनको हम वापस लेके आएंगे। हिंदूज वर एंगर्ड बाय द रैपिड स्प्रेड ऑफ तबालिक। तबालिक क्या होता है? तबलीग, प्रोपेगेंडा एंड तंजीम। तंजीम वर्ड आ सकता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इन मॉडर्न टाइम या फिर ड्यूरिंग इंडिपेंडेंस। तो तंजीम वर्ड रेफर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आफ्टर 23 as middle class publicity and communal activities sought to build greater solidarity within their communities, mobilizing among peoples against other community। riots यहाँ पे हुए थे, spread in the different part of the country। every communal right depend differences between the communities, creating disturbing memories of violence, and yet it would be incorrect to see partition as the outcome of simple unfolding communal tension। and as the patronist of Garam Hawa film on partition puts, communal discord happened before 1947, but it had never led to the uprooting of millions from their home। Partition was qualitatively different phenomena था from earlier communal politics से, and to understand it we need to look carefully at the event of the last decade of British rule। and what is communalism, इसके अगर बारे में हम जानने की कोशिश करें तो there are many aspects of our identity। जैसे you are a girl or boy, all of you are young person, you belong to certain village, कुछ city, district, state, speaking different language, and you are Indian, but you are also world citizen। income level differ from family to family, hence all of us belong to some social class से हम belong करें। and most of us have a religion, कईयों का हमारा धर्म है। एंड कास्ट में प्लान इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन आवर लाइफ, जो कि एक इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट आज के टाइम में भी। इन अदर वर्ड आवर आइडेंटिटीज हैज ए न्यूमरस फीचर। हमारी आइडेंटिटी ऐसा नहीं कि हमारा सिर्फ नाम है, दे आर कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड देयर आर टाइम्स हाउएवर when people attach greater significance certain aspect of their identity such as religion, this is itself cannot be described as communal। but इसको ही हम communal नहीं बोल सकते। communalism क्या होता है बेसिकली? to a politics that seeks to unify one community around a religious identity in the hostile position to another community। It seeks to define this community identity as a fundamental and fixed। It attempts to consolidate his identity and present its natural as if people were born into the identity। And if the identities do not evolve through the history over time in order to unify the community, communalism suppresses the distinction within the community and emphasizes the essential unity of community during against the other communities। one could say communalism nurture a politics of hatred for identify other Hindus in case of Muslim communalism and Muslim in the case of Hindu communalism। this hatred feeds a political of violence। then communalism then a particular kind of politicization हम इसको बोल सकते हैं, जो कि religious identity के हिसाब से हो। promotes conflict between the religious community in context of multi religious country के अंदर religious nationalism can come to acquire similar meaning। and in such a country any attempt to see a religious community as a nation would mean sowing the seed of antagonism against the some other religion, जो कि पाकिस्तान का काम किया था। so that's it, इस पार्ट में इतना ही रखेंगे। पार्ट नंबर सेकंड हम इसको यहाँ से डिस्कस करेंगे। प्रोविंशियल इलेक्शन जो कि 1937 में हुआ था, तो यहाँ से कांग्रेस के क्वेश्चन बन सकते हैं। वी विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास। आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे।